Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. If you're new here, welcome. I am Rita, and this is a part of my Love is a Work of Heart series. In today's video, I decided to share with you guys the huge candy wrap gift for my kids. I'm going to give them a Valentine's Day gift, so I thought I would try the viral TikTok like ring pop or bowl. They take the bowls and you add them. You'll see me do that when I decide to put it in the box for my kids, or the huge candy is what we're going to call it, Valentine's Day gift. So if that is something that you're interested in, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Let's go ahead and get into this new video. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this video. So you can tell by the title and how the introduction that we're going to do my kids a Valentine's Day gift. I'm so excited, and I thought I would share this with you guys. I feel cute today. So I have two bowls here. Everything is from Dollar Tree, so you can get everything from Dollar Tree. We love doing something on the budget. But I have two bowls here of two different colors that I'm going to use for each one of my children. My daughter's favorite color is like a teal, so this is for her, and my son, I just got him a red one. So I have a few items here that I'm going to put in each one of the bowls. My daughter get a little more stuff because she's a little more older, but my son don't really get too much care about stuff being his. So I gave him his cards because of course he was at the store with me when I bought all this stuff. But I do have him some candy and chips and stuff here that I'm going to put in their baskets. Some other stuff that you will need is some clear wrapping paper or any type of tablecloth or any type of birthday party wrapping paper would be good, but I have clear here because I had some at home already. Or you can use these basket plastic bags that come from Dollar Tree, and I don't know if you can see that, but you can it's like they normally go around basket and they shrink wrap with the heat. So I'm deciding on which one I'm gonna use, either the clear wrapping paper or the shrinking wraps for the baskets. So I'm not sure, so we're gonna process this together. I have these for my son. He likes Lay's. My daughter is a huge fan of Takis, so I have her some Takis here. I'm going to open this Sour Patch Twist and split them in half. I got my daughter some socks because she loves little different designer socks, so love these. I have two sets of lights, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the lights. I have to grab some batteries. They take AA, so I'm gonna see if I have some AA batteries. Hopefully I do, so I can show you and add the lights to give it a little extra kick. I have this bath bomb for my daughter, her little self-care package. So it is a shower gel and some bath bombs. So got that from Dollar Tree. Love that. I have two chocolates, one for my son and of course my daughter. Have that for them. I have some hard chocolates here that I'm gonna split between the both of them. I have them both a cup. So the pink one is my daughter, it said love, and this one says you're sweet. So it's like off red, but it's red. So just for them that I have these for my daughter so she can wear to school. I also got these from Dollar Tree. I think she's gonna love these. And then again, she loves some like mid ear things on her ear, so I also got her these to put in her basket. A teddy bear for her, she's like those, and then some more bath bombs that I have found. It's Valentine's Day. And then I have the ring pops that I'm going to add in there. So since these bowls are small, I didn't add too much, but I did get my daughter 3 new outfits, and I'm sure her father's gonna buy her something. And for my son, I made him some shirts, and again I gave him some cards that that would have went in his, but they were kind of too big, and he picked them out while we were at Dollar Tree, so let him grab a few items. I also have these little fingernail polishes to, when I do spend time with my daughter, we have like mother-daughter time, and I paint her toes or do her nails. I have her some new colors, so they are so pretty. I think she's really gonna like this one. And here's the other ones. So let's go ahead and get these packing. I have like stuffing paper to put in them to kind of decorate them. So let's go ahead and get it started. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting these together. Alright, you guys. So my daughter's was a trial and error, but I'm going to go ahead and slow this one up for you. So my son is...
long enough to know there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Ooh, can nobody do me like you? I said every little thing you do. Hey baby, say it stays on my mind. And I officially, it's official. Ooh, you know that I'm missing you. All I hear is raindrops. Ooh, yeah. And I'm officially missing you.
I'm going to sprinkle a couple of those in there. And then... So I have the AA batteries that's going to go inside of the lights. So we're going to go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so again, this is his box. I have the lights. Let's turn them on. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I'm just going to kind of layer them in there and hide it. And then I'm going to add a little bit more confetti. Definitely making a mess. I'm going to add a lid. And it's just like my daughter's. It seems like it's too big. Let's see. Okay, so it's a little bit better. Hers has too much stuff in it. But I'm trying to give you guys a good picture. So you're going to take some tape and you're going to tape it so it's staying in place. Take some tape. I'm going to tape it. Add one more. Alright, so this is kind of the foundation right here. And you can add more tape if you want, but he's 3, so I don't want it to be too difficult for him. So I'm going to take the shrink wrapping bag right here, and we're going to open it and then put it in there. This can get messy, for sure. So I have a lot of trash. But open it up. I'm gonna place it.
I don't want to let you out of my head. It's not the day that I met you. The day I thought forever. You said that you loved me. That turned out to never. It's cold outside. Like when you walked on my life. Why you walk on my life? I feel like this every time. On those days it feel like you and me. Heartbreak anniversary. I feel like this every time. On those days it feel like you and me. Do you ever think of me? Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. Too soon I spoke, you've been heavy on my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I try to keep from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, babe, but you don't care. All the while, I'll wait my face with a smile. Still gotta try, still believe in good days. Oh, but it's like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. You said that you loved me, but that turned out to never. It's cold outside, like when you walk out my life. Why'd you walk out my life? We could leave the Christmas lights up.
And there you have it. It's so cute. I really like it. Tell me what you guys think. It's my daughters. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.